Welcome to the AWS Analytics Fundamentals course. This first video is an introduction that will cover the requirements, course objectives, and what you'll learn through the course. As an introduction level course, we'll give you a broad overview about AWS Analytics services. Let's go further and explore the requirements, audience, scope, and learning objectives from this course. Requirements. As a fundamentals course, the requirements are kept simple, so you can focus in the understanding of the different services from AWS. But a basic understanding about the following topics is required or good to have. As we are talking about technology and computing services, general IT knowledge is necessary. By general IT, I mean the basics about programming language and logic, algorithms, and learning or working experience in the IT field. We'll also give you an overview about data science concepts, but if these concepts are already familiar to you, this will make your journey more smoother. It's not mandatory, but it's important to have general knowledge about AWS, most specifically about how to access your account and services, and the basics about S3 and EC2 solutions. I would like then to recommend you two courses from Cloud Academy that can help you to better understand the AWS basics required for this course. The AWS Technical Fundamentals, AWS 110 course, and AWS Networking Fundamentals, AWS 160. The course audience is quite broad. I try to keep it simple and to maintain a good balance between the deepness of the content, not to scare beginners, so you will not get scared by complex and very deep big data topics, and not to keep away data scientists that have already experience with one or more AWS services. If you're already skilled data scientist but novice in AWS Cloud, this course will open your mind to the possibilities you can make to transform your problems from the current on-premises or other cloud providers to bring them to AWS. And if you're preparing to take an associate or pro certification, this course will refresh concepts or give you new insights about the services. This course scope starts with an overview about data science and analytics concepts. This is focused mostly for our beginners, so you will not get lost during the course. After this, we'll give you an introduction to analytics on AWS, so how AWS structures its offering, and in the end, we'll provide you an overview covering each service from the AWS Analytics portfolio. So we'll guide you through the services, providing you a theory and some practice. And finishing our introduction video, the learning objectives. What will you learn through this course? So I'd be very happy if in the end you get these basic learning objectives. So understand the basics about big data and analytics, then comprehend how these big data concepts and big data structures applies to AWS and how AWS has constructed its portfolio, and for sure get hands-on experience with the course. So I'd recommend that you create an AWS account at this moment, and you can use the free tier for several services, so you have no cost. Take always the remark to destroy the resources after you use them. And let's go to the next videos to really explore the concepts and play a bit with the services. So thank you. See you in the next video.